Welcome. If you're finding that you're missing out on important updates from Facebook because notifications aren't coming through, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through each step on how to enable all notifications for your Facebook app on PC, especially with the latest update. Let's dive right in. First, let's make sure you have the Facebook app open on your PC. If you haven't already, go ahead and launch it now. Take a moment to log into your account so you're on the main homepage. Once you're on Facebook, direct your attention to the top of the page. Here, you'll see an icon with 3 dots. This symbol usually sits near your profile picture or other menu options. Click on those 3 dots to open up a new menu. From this drop-down menu, find and click on the option labeled App Info. This will pull up details specific to your Facebook app, including some important features we'll be using. Now, inside the App Info section, you'll spot a button or tab called Settings. Go ahead and click on Settings to access all the configurations for your app. Within the settings, you'll notice an option dedicated to notifications. It may say something like Notifications or Manage Notifications. Click into this section. You'll see a list of different types of notifications, including comments, likes, tags, friend requests, and so on. Here's the crucial part. Review each type of notification and use the toggles or checkboxes to turn on all the notifications you want to receive. To ensure you don't miss anything, make sure every switch is toggled on. This covers all updates, so whether it's a message, a page you follow, or someone reacting to your post, you'll be in the loop. After you've enabled all the options you prefer, simply exit out of the settings. Your notification preferences will save automatically, and you'll start receiving every alert right away. And that's it. You've just enabled all notifications for the Facebook app on your PC with only a few clicks. Never miss an update again. Stay connected and informed. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other tech tips.